Welcome to this walkthrough of Trifacta's Data Engineering Cloud on Snowflake. In this demo, we'll cover how Trifacta makes it easier to accomplish SQL-based ELT on Snowflake to support modern data architectures and accelerate modern data engineering operations. By providing an open and interactive platform to profile, prepare, and pipeline data, and allowing for pushdown optimization to process jobs on Snowflake's scalable data cloud platform, Trifacta enables modern data teams to make better use of their data in less time. We'll start by giving a brief overview of how you can use Trifacta to connect to data inside of Snowflake and quickly transform it into your desired format using our intuitive and interactive low-code user interface. Then, we'll demonstrate how Trifacta compiles these data transformations into optimized SQL queries that can be pushed down and executed directly on Snowflake without ever moving your data. Let's get started. Moving into Trifacta's interface, we'll begin by connecting to raw data from Snowflake using Trifacta's built-in Snowflake integration. As I explore datasets, I can preview individual tables, allowing me to ensure I'm connecting to the exact data I'm looking for before importing a table. With a little bit of exploration, and just a few clicks, I'm able to easily connect to the data I want. When connecting to data, Trifacta initially loads a 10 megabyte sample, while also providing the flexibility for me to adjust my sample size. This allows me to interact with a randomized subset of my data and set up my transformations the exact way I want them before executing them across the entire dataset using Snowflake. As I move forward, the data I'm transforming does not leave Snowflake, resulting in a secure solution that efficiently uses the compute resources in the cloud. To transform my datasets inside of Trifacta, I can create highly customizable recipes and flows using Trifacta's interactive, low-code user interface. In this example, I'll begin by joining two data tables to connect customer information with order information, using a matching customer key. Using Trifacta, I can select which columns of data to include in my join, giving me a fully customizable combination of the exact data I want. This is a time-consuming operation in SQL, but I can accomplish it in Trifacta with just a few clicks. After bringing my data together, I can use Trifacta's active and visual data profiling to explore my data table in more depth. For each column of data, Trifacta automatically generates a summary, relevant statistical information, and histograms that break down the data into useful subcategories. This makes it easy for me to quickly understand the content of my data and quickly identify potential data quality issues before beginning the data transformation process. For this example, I don't want to include any data from the year 1992, so I'll select the appropriate months from that year and delete those rows from my table. As you can see, Trifacta has automatically generated several intuitive data transformation suggestions, which change based on the data I'm interacting with. After clicking on a suggestion, I can navigate back to my data table to see a real-time preview of the data transformation before applying it. Then, with a single click, I can apply the transformation, which may otherwise have required me to write extensive SQL code. Trifacta includes over 100 built-in transformations like the one I've demonstrated here, including, but not limited to, aggregates, joins, unions, filters, math functions, date functions, merge and split functions, and many others. This intuitive, low-code approach empowers non-technical users to utilize data, while also increasing the efficiency of technical users. If you're interested in exploring more of Trifacta's built-in data transformations, we invite you to explore a free trial or schedule a full product demo. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll move on to show how Trifacta's pushdown capabilities can generate optimized SQL to run jobs on Snowflake. After setting up all of my data transformations inside of Trifacta, I can now move on to select and customize the destination of my data in my running environment. In this case, I'll be updating a data table in Snowflake and using Snowflake's Data Cloud as my running engine with Trifacta's full pushdown capabilities. As I run my job, the data transformations and functions I set up inside of Trifacta are converted into equivalent SQL queries using native Snowflake functions within Snowflake. For any transformations or functions that are not natively supported by Snowflake, Trifacta uses JavaScript user-defined functions, or UDFs, to achieve the desired results. These UDFs allow JavaScript functions to be written and called as though they were SQL functions, allowing users to expand beyond native Snowflake transformations. Trifacta also optimizes the SQL for performance before running it, doing things like executing filtering tasks as soon as possible to reduce the total compute load. The process is fast and extremely efficient. As you can see, my job completed in just a few seconds. with data loading and data transformation occurring simultaneously. Pulling up the SQL for this job, you can see how Trifacta's visual user interface allowed me to easily produce a high-performance SQL query, even if I didn't know how to write a single line of SQL code. The overall result of Trifacta's pushdown optimization for Snowflake is increased efficiency, allowing data users to focus on their data and increasing productivity by over 2 times. Leveraging the power of Snowflake, Trifacta can offer data transformations that are up to 20 times faster, allowing organizations and data professionals to make better use of their data for analytics or machine learning in less time. To explore for yourself, try out a free trial today and share the platform with your colleagues.